Hello, everyone. Today I want to discuss something I like to call calendar combinatorics. Think about this. Have you ever thought about the idea of recycling your old calendars? Why? It'd be so cheap. I heard from one friend, and I heard that he spent over $40 on just one calendar because he's so bad with dates. What if you're bad with dates and you don't want to invest in purchasing a new calendar each year? Well, you can recycle your old calendars. How exactly would you recycle an old calendar? Well, when you think about it, there's only a set amount of calendars that you can have. And I know you can get calendars for a lot cheaper than that, but still, like, what if you could just infinitely reuse your calendars without having to purchase a new one each year? It's possible. We use what we call the Gregorian calendar, which has either 365 or 366 days, depending on if it's a leap year or not. So let's think about this, for example. The thing is, most people will say, when you ask them how many combinations of calendars there are, they'll say that there are 7 different configurations. That's not actually true. There's actually 14, because there's one starting for each day of the week, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, without a leap year, and there's also those same calendars but with the leap year added, with the extra day. So let's think about this. 2016, for example, starts on a Friday, and now 2017 actually starts on Sunday, so that's a 2 day difference. But when we go into 2018, and if you look it up, you'll see that it starts on Monday. That's because when you have a leap year, you'll have an extra 2 days added. So you can continue the pattern. You can go up to 2019, which would be starting on the year configuration starting with a Tuesday. And then you go into 2020, the year would start on Wednesday. But then as soon as you go into 2021, it'll jump back to Friday again. So let's actually look at the leap years as well. This is with leap year. I'm just going to use W as with. This is without leap, without, and this is with leap, without. So you're thinking to yourself, if you only need 14 configurations of calendars, you might only have to wait just for 14 years. That's not true. It'll actually take 28 years, and you can prove this by continuing this kind of chart. Because the thing is, you have to keep collecting the leap year calendars, but you'll have to wait a while. You have to wait 4 years to get each of the leap year calendars. So that means for each day of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you have to collect those leap year calendars. You'll actually have to collect them for a total of 28 years. The thing is, you don't have to collect all of the calendars in between. You only need to collect the 7 regular week ones, but you'll have to wait 28 years to get those specific kind of leap year calendars. It's like the leap year calendars are the rare kind of collectibles, you know? Maybe they'll start selling them for lots of money. But let's actually keep going through this. What would happen if we kept doing this? So that's without, so that means it'll go to Saturday without 2023. It's Sunday. And you'll see that to get these regular, like, non-leap year kind of calendars, it doesn't take long at all. And if you keep collecting them within the 28-year time span, you'll see that you'll end up getting multiples of these. But it's the ones with the leap year, those are the ones that are rare. But you see that it doesn't take that long at all. Then you can keep recycling them. So if you're the kind of person who just wants to check the dates and not record anything, that might be useful for you. But if you're the kind of person who likes to record everything, which most people like to do, this won't be useful at all. But it's such an interesting problem to think about, because I googled this on the internet and I actually couldn't find too much information about this. If you continue the pattern, you'll see that each one of these leap years, they go down by 2 days. So you can kind of extrapolate where the other ones would be. So that would be Sunday, Saturday with leap. Then you can go to Saturday. So then before that's Friday, Thursday. Then 4 years later, you get Tuesday. Monday, then Sunday with... How many do we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. And if we add them up, you'll see that it takes exactly 28 years to get those really hard to obtain leap year calendars. Huh. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, I mean, I keep Googling this and I just couldn't find much information about this at all. It's a really interesting kind of a simple problem to think about, but it's one that we would make use of in everyday life. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and to always receive the updates as quickly as possible. Thank you.